Hello everyone, and today I just got my first 4x4 Rubik's Cube, and soon I'm going to do a Rubik's Cube video on how to solve it, and I'm going to try to open this, there you go. Oh my gosh! How do they have this in here? Why you, whatever your name is, please make your boxes better! Ah! I can't even open this! Oh, there we go. Instructions. Are these just... Also, if you're in Chinese, the back is Chinese right here. The other side is definitely English. These are just instructions on how to solve the cube. I'm not going to see that because I'm not reading this, so bye-bye. Here is my 4x4. Magnetic 4x4. Oh, it's so hard to open! Here's my 4x4. Let's see. This is actually decent. We're just gonna take one of these pieces out. Is this a ball core? I think this might be a ball core. You wanna try something? So you can't really do a pattern on here. Just testing this out. I'm trying to reverse this. I don't know what I did. To begin with. No. No. This is just sad. Oh gosh. I might have just mixed up my 4x4 accidentally. I'm actually gonna mix this up. Also, this I just washed, so I just did some things, so my hands are a little slippery right now. Also, I don't know exactly what this this is. I don't know how to solve this also. I'm just going to try to solve this middle layer. That's all I know how to do. That's all I know you have to do. Don't judge me, please. If you guys know how to solve a 4x4, please don't judge me. This is all I can do. See you later. This is my unboxing of my new 4x4. I'm gonna get a video to solve this. Don't worry. I'll teach you how to guys to solve this. If you're an advanced cuber, please do not say my name if you watch my other videos. So it's my first time with 4x4. Like and subscribe down below. Bye. Bye everyone.